This is the analysis of Bihar Sarif Dargah, a symbol of spiritual harmony and heritage in Nalanda. Located in the historic district of Nalanda, Bihar Sarif Dargah is one of the most revived Sufi shrine in India. This sacred site is dedicated to Hazrat Sheikh Sarfuddin Yanha Maneri, a prominent Sufi saint of the 13th century whose teaching of love, peace and communal harmony continue to inspire people across faith. The Dargah set amidst the serene beauty of Bihar Sarif is a spiritual hub and the testament to the rich culture heritage of Bihar. Here is the historical significance of Bihar Sarif Dargah. Hazrat Sheikh Sarfuddin Yanha Maneri was an eminent Sufi mystic of Christian order, renowned for his profound spiritual wisdom. He played a pivotal role in spreading the teaching of Sufism in Bihar during the medieval period. His philosophy, rooted in compassion and devotion, attracted followers from diverse communities. Bihar Sarif Dargah, built in his honor, became a significant pilgrimage site after his passing. The saint's maqbara lies within the Dargah complex, drawing devotees who came to seek blessings and solace. The structure is believed to date back to the 14th century, making it an important historical monument in addition to its spiritual significance. The architectural features of Bihar Sarif Dargah. The Bihar Sarif Dargah reflect a blend of Indo-Islamic style typical of medieval India. The tomb is constructed using locally available stone and brick with intricate carving and inscriptions that add to its aesthetic appeal. The arched doorways, domes and minarets highlight the architectural finesse of the period. The interior of the Dargah features beautifully designed pattern and Arabic calligraphy. The scene's courtyards, shaded by an ancient tree, provided a tranquil space for a prayer and meditation. The Dargah also houses a mosque that serves as a place of worship for the local Muslim community. Here is the religious and cultural importance. Bihar Sarif Dargah is not just a religious monument but also a center of cultural unity. Every year, thousands of devotees, irrespective of caste, creed, or religion, visit the shrine to pay their respect. The shrine represents the inclusive spirit of Sufism, fostering communal harmony in the region. One of the most significant events at the Dargah is yours, an annual commemoration of the saint's death anniversary. During this time, the Dargah is adorned with lights and Qawwali performance will fire the air with a spiritual favor. Pilgrims participate in a prayer, ritual and offering, making the event a vibrant and soulful celebration. Here is the tourism and the development of Bihar Sarif Dargah has become a popular tourist destination, attracting both pilgrims and the history enthusiasts. It's approximately to the other historic sites in Nalanda, including the ancient Nalanda University, Reun and Rajgir, has further boosted its appeal. To accommodate the growing number of visitors, the Bihar government has undertaken initiative to improve infrastructure around the Dargah. Facilities such as roads, accommodation and concessions have been upgraded to enhance the experience for pilgrims and tourists. Last but not the least, conclusion of Bihar Sarif Dargah stand as a symbol of spiritual devotion and cultural heritage. It is not only the honor of legacy of Hazrat Sheikh Sarfuddin Yanha Maneri but also embodies that timeless value of love, peace and unity. Whether one seeks spirituals, sovereigns or the wishes to explore Bihar's rich history, a visit to this sacred shrine is an enriching experience. This report highlights the historical and cultural significance of Bihar Sarif Dargah, offering insights into its legacy and importance in a contemporary time. Thank you for watching this video.